scale him first.
Oh my god. No, let me get a picture first. Let me get a picture first.
Just turn your light off, you're fucking up mine.
How much away?
Hold on. We're working on things over here.
I did. I took everything off except my hat.
9 pounds, 12 ounces.
9 pounds, 12 ounces! 9!
Giant, doll. We're done with the photos.
Oh, we're done with the photo.
I took 50 because he was trying to box us.
Oh, look at this monster clown. Dude, he was just like this in the water. I had to go in and get him. The red. Come on. I can't grab him. Wait, hold on. Let me grab my pliers. I'll give him a good release. That's a big fish, dude. That's my second 9-pounder in this place.
Yeah. That's the second 9-pounder in this place. Be quiet.
Second 9-pounder. One more view for you guys at home.
That was first place, clown knife. That's what's called. That's clown knife category, first place.
We do have a clown knife category, don't we?
Yes, sir.
Check that out, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, 9 pounds, 12 ounces. Come on. Come on. There he goes.
There he is, boy.
He looks like a monster swimming away.
Like when he was one.
Oh my gosh, he was a monster. Oh, they're definitely blowing up over there. Go. There's one. There's one. Alright, hooked up. Oh. He counts. I got him. I got him, guys. Bombs away. Here he is. All right. Number 2 today. It's not the biggest, but he's a fish. Check that out, ladies and gentlemen. See, I got my boy Tyler Chu with me. Alright, sorry about missing a fight. Let him go. Oh man, that was on the drop. There he is! Got him! Came racing for it, guys. Woo! Are they loving this topwater fluke? How about that? Come on. There he is. That's a bass. Alright. This bass like number 5 or 4. Whew. Check that out. Pretty fish. Oh, it came back out. There it goes. Where are you at, fish? There it is. There it is. Yeah. All right. It's like bass number 6 because Tyler said I had 5. Ooh, barely hooked. Check that out. On the tip of the lip. Oh, well, you know what? It's not coming off. I actually had to put some force to that. On the tip of the lip. It's a fish. See ya. Oh man, oh man, that's a big boy. That is a big boy. Ooh. Yes! Woohoo! All right, so I got this big monster. Let's see if I got my scale on me. I do. Weigh them real quick. I don't know where the hole is, but put it under the gill. Okay. He is 4.6 pounds. It's just over 4.5 pounds. Excellent, excellent fish. So let him go. All right. Yes. That's a good one. You got a good one? Alright, here's the release. Oh, there he goes. Alright, well that's our show. Hope you enjoyed today. I had my friend Tyler Chu with me here fishing the Everglades and both hooked up on nice ones. Unfortunately, he was away from me when he caught his good bass. Ended up with 9 so far. Been using the topwater pedal tail fluke. Been using it topwater. Just skipping it across like this and trying to entice the bite. All in all, it was a good day. I've never really walked it here before. It's just been like a kayaking, but I was pleasantly surprised, especially catching a 4-pounder. So for Silo's Fishing, and check me out on Instagram at Silos954, that's C_LOS954. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more awesome fishing videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.